Alright guys, let's unpack the Lenovo laptop that I got, predominantly for video editing, programming, and some AI related tasks. Overall, I did quite a lot of comparisons before purchasing this variant. It's basically Lenovo Legion with Intel Ultra 7 AI processor, 255HX model, and NVIDIA 5070 video card. The display is also OLED, so I think it will be an improvement over the 3070 card that I have. The processor is quite efficient. It has 20 cores and it's based on 3 nanometers technology. So here I'm unpacking it. I was wondering between 5070 Ti and 275HX from Intel, the variant, or the ones offered from AMD. After browsing through a lot of Reddit threads, I understood that this one is not only more performant, but more innovative than the AMD. Of course, I need to mention that in the AMD Ryzen 9 8945HX has a better integrated video card performance. I also did comparisons with M4 Pro variants of Apple, and the performance is almost similar, with the difference that here 5070, especially when working with effects and graphics, has a big advantage. The only downside I can think of is that the battery is not that lasting as the Apple's variants. But of course, if you would like to do some rendering, it's better to plug the laptop. As you can see from the ranking of the CPUs for laptops, it's on the 30th position, a little bit below the Apple M4 Pro processor. Of course, there is Ultra 9 275HX, but for me it was out of budget. Then in comparison with AMD Ryzen 9 8945HX, the Intel variant, Core Ultra 7 255HX is better. And here again, if you're using the laptop not on full power, the efficient cores of Intel are performing better. So that's good also for the battery. You can check the comparisons. So this was one of the alternatives I was considering, but it was not available at the time of the purchase. Next, we can see for video editing Premiere Pro, its performance. And although this is considering not mobile cards, we can approximate a similar difference between, for example, here a 3070 and 5070 video cards. In more detail, in the comparison results from Budget Bench for DaVinci Resolve, we can see that basically M4 Pro with 16 cores has slightly lower score than NVIDIA 5070 Ti. They don't yet have results for 5070, but I guess it will be similar with 12 cores of M4 Pro processors. So this is another plus for the NVIDIA choice. On the look and feel, the keyboard is convenient and quiet, which is good for programming, for example. And the cooling part, it has cold front thermal technology, which in theory should not cause excessive throttling. I've seen that in Windows this works quite correctly. In Ubuntu, sometimes you can experience quite loud noise from the ventilators. But this could be due to not very well optimized kernel drivers. So with the next updates of the kernels, for sure this will be fixed. From the ports, we have Thunderbolt, USB-A, so you can connect several peripherals of your choice. Overall, it's a professional looking machine. It weighs 1.9 kilograms and its OLED screen has true blacks. This means that it has individual dimming on each of the pixels, which makes it excellent for working late afternoon and at night. Thank you.